So for this video, we're going to be focusing on Lewis structures, and more specifically, we're going to be focusing on the Lewis structure of bromine pentafluoride. So first, we're going to need to add up the valence electrons of each molecule. So for this one, we have 7 valence electrons, and there's only one of these, so we're going to times that by 1. And for the F atom, we have also 7 valence electrons, but we're going to multiply that by 5, and that is going to equal 42. So we can write over here our total valence electrons is 42. So now we can write this out to make our Lewis structure. So Br is going to be our central atom, and then we can place these all around like so. And now we are going to show the bonds, and each bond takes up 2 valence electrons. So since each bond takes up 2 valence electrons and we have 5, we now only have 32 valence electrons left. So now we're going to start placing those and just place them around each fluorine electron, each sharing 1. So now that we have placed 2 valence electrons around each fluorine atom, we now have 2 left, which we are going to place underneath the bromine atom. Let's do a little bit more practice. So for this one, we are going to do the Lewis structure of H2O, otherwise known as water. So first we're going to need to find our valence electrons, and on the periodic table, hydrogen is in group 1. So hydrogen has 1 valence electron, but we have 2 of those, so we're going to times it by 2. Oxygen is on the periodic table is in group 6, so we have 6 valence electrons. So that is going to equal a total of 8 valence electrons. So let's write that over here. Now it is time to draw this out to make our Lewis structure. So oxygen is going to be our central atom, and we are going to put hydrogen on the outside. So we have 8 valence electrons, but remember each bond takes up 2 valence electrons. So we have a total of 4 valence electrons left. So since both hydrogen's outer shells are full, we are going to place the other 4 valence electrons like so. So that is the Lewis structure for water. Thank you for listening.